Long Beach. Niggas make it rain, I make it blizzard. Get these little bitches some fucking shivers. Make money disappear like a wizard. Sit down, eat a good steak dinner. Get a porterhouse, yeah, I'm cashing out. These motherfuckers know what the fuck I'm talking about. Cause I ain't gotta take no history shit. I know a lot of niggas history, bitch. I miss all them East. Any motherfucking day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I keep a stack in my hand, ain't no telling that. These motherfuckers know money flip acrobat. Listen, I'm toiling the club like I'm Shaq. These motherfuckers say I am the laundromat because the money turning and the money spinning. I throw it up and it falls. Listen, I am winning. Niggas never pay attention. Open up the book in it. Definition, you will see my fucking name and low. I ain't know the game, I ain't never been a lame because I spit this ill shit, spit this real shit. Open up the book, take a look. These motherfuckers know the chef, I can cook. My motherfucking wrist cold, glacier. And I don't really give a fuck about a hater. Talking my name, keep it up out your mouth. All them fucking goons will show up at your fucking house. Nigga, there's no fucking game. OG told me every fucking thing. Shout out to L, shout out to Lace. Niggas know I am space.